we're all at home, super bored, nothing to do, and I thought it would be a great moment to start Fashion Attack again. This time, we're gonna do something not so fashionable, but extremely useful with stuff that you can find around your place. No equipment needed. Let's start. All we're gonna need is 2 elastic bands and a napkin. Super easy. We get the napkin, open it, and fold for something like 5 centimeters. Fold it again, all the way to the end. Now we're gonna put 1 elastic on one side, 1 elastic on the other side, and fold it for 3/4, and one side has to go inside the other one. And you can do it with anything. You don't have a napkin, use a bandana. You don't have a bandana, cut a piece of a t-shirt. Whatever you got at home, it's gonna work out. Back to Fashion Attack! No, more than a house in a house. More than a motherfucker fucking home good.